Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, I have this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. If you can see, basically what this is a package from Cooking Panda. If you guys remember last time, I actually reviewed a package from this brand as well, and that was a different box. So everything that you guys get in this package or this box is different from last time. But first thing first, let me actually open the product to show you guys everything that's included here first. Alright, so we got the package right here. Let's open it up. So here is the envelope with all like the coupons and recipes in here. You guys can see how it's nicely wrapped. Just put it on one side for now. So you can see there's a bunch of snacks on here. Like wow, they actually have like Japanese snacks here. Like you guys never had these before, you definitely should. It's really good. They have it in different flavors as well, but the one that they provided for us is original. This time they also provide us another mix. So last time they gave me like a crepe mix. This time they have a cookie mix. They also provide some olives, and I believe this time the olive is actually a little bit better. And you can see inside there's a bunch of other stuff as well. There's like the rice right, so it's made from vegetables, and this cilantro and lime flavor, I assume. They provide you guys a cup holder right here, so you can use to hold your beers or soda that is cold. They provide you guys some salami right here. They also provide some oatmeal, gluten-free oatmeal. Let's see, so we got some Cajun sauce, very interesting. So now I can make some Cajun like dishes if I want to. They provide you guys some Parmesan cheese crackers. Ooh, they provide some miso sauce right here. We got some shortbread syrup, very good brand. They provide some rice coffee. So this is the rice nitro Earl Grey tea oatmeal latte. This is some grain-free chocolate cake mix from the Bob's brand, you guys can see. We got some sea salt right here. We got some dates right here, some organic dates. We got some cocktail mix right here. We got some iced tea with hibiscus flavor right there. We got some bear salt. We got some mango chilies. We got some date syrup, very interesting. And right here we got some honey, very nice packaging. They provide some salt right here. It's a midnight spices. So I guess you guys can use this for like cooking or mixing stuff. They provide some organic sunflower butter. They provide some corn nuts here. I actually like this brand's corn nut a lot. They provide some chocolate cookie bars. And then right here we got some honey sweet barbecue sauce. This was actually included last time and actually is really good. I actually finished the other one for the other sample as well. And then they provide some liquid IV so I can use it as a drink mix. There's two different flavors. One of them is like a lemon ginger and the other one passion fruit. They provide you guys a keto crisps. They provide you guys some pretzel bites with peanut butter filled inside. They provide you guys some gelatin desserts that you can make yourself. And they actually have the recipe in the actual envelope if you guys want to follow that recipe on how to make it. And then right here we have some grain-free granola. And right here we have some sunrise spices, chili peppers. So I guess you guys can use this for making like drinks. Like kind of like cocktails in a way. Right here we have some raw honey for your throat. I guess you guys can just spray this on your throat. And right here we have some more snacks. It's a skinny dipped almonds. They do provide you guys a little bottle opener that you can use. Pretty awesome. They provide you guys some hot chili paste right here. Very interesting as well. They provide some more K-cups right here. So I got this last time as well. So these are super useful and super easy to make. All you need to do is to have a K-cup machine and just put one in. And it just makes your coffee out for you guys. And right here we have some Kind cereal dark chocolate almond flavor right here. And right here we have some tomato sauce. So I guess you guys can use this for pasta. Let me open it up and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so we got the tomato sauce right here. If you can see, this is basically what it looks like. So this one is high in fiber, gluten-free, no sugar added, and it is plant-based. So as you can see, that is perfect for pasta, pizza, soup, or much more. And the reason why they provide you guys the tomato sauce is because you guys can actually use it for the pasta. And right here we have the pasta. So you can see that the pasta itself is not regular pasta. This is organic pasta and it is Hello Kitty shaped. It literally is shaped as a Hello Kitty, which is pretty awesome. Let me see if there's anything else in here. Oh, looks like there's one more thing right here. So that has a pickle punch. So I guess this is pickle flavored salt. Very interesting as well. But that is basically everything that's in the packaging itself. If you can see, there's a lot of stuff in here. Ranging from cereal to pasta and like some other ingredients as well. But I definitely love this package a lot. I think this one is actually better in my opinion compared to the one that we got last time. Because there's more unique stuff in this. And there's actually really cool and cute stuff like this included. But there are some stuff in here that is from the same brand from last time, which is pretty cool as well. Because I actually like those brands. For example, like the rice coffee that we have right here. And then also this coffee that we have right here as well. I forgot what else was included last time, but those two are the main ones that I did remember was included in the packaging itself. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick unboxing of the product itself. You guys can see everything in the packaging itself is really cool. I think there's a lot more cool stuff in this package compared to the one that we got last time. Like for example, the Hello Kitty pasta, and then there's like the Japanese like snacks. and then there's like those syrups and everything. Like there's so many things in here that I didn't even know exist or that I never tried before, so that's actually pretty awesome. And I believe for this brand's product, they actually change it every season. So right now it's a spring box, but definitely this box is super cool. Like I mentioned, they do have everything different compared to last time. And in my opinion, I do think this one is a lot better than the one that I got last time as well. So that is basically everything that is on the product itself. Now that we do unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that these are worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys like surprise mystery box, then these are super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have needs one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for the unboxing and testing the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video, make sure to click on that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.